Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play air in HOI4. First, you need to understand air zones, which are the regions where air combat occurs. Different aircraft types, like fighters and bombers, serve distinct purposes. You'll assign these planes to air wings, which are groups of up to 100 aircraft, and then give them specific missions within an air zone. Achieving air superiority is crucial for success on the ground and at sea. Next, let's talk about production and research. You'll research new aircraft models and air doctrines to improve your Air Force. With the By Blood Alone DLC, you can design custom aircraft using different airframes and modules, tailoring them to your needs. Allocate your civilian factories to produce airframes, engines, and weapons. Remember to manage essential resources such as aluminum and rubber to keep your production lines running smoothly. Now, let's dive into air missions and strategy. Air superiority missions, primarily flown by fighters, aim to control the air zone, giving your ground troops a combat bonus. Close air support missions use planes like CAS to directly assist your armies in battle. Strategic bombers target enemy infrastructure and factories, while naval bombers perform naval strike missions against enemy ships in sea zones or ports. Each mission has a specific impact on the war. Finally, let's cover some advanced air management tips. Grouping air wings can simplify deployment and movement. Always monitor air combat statistics to understand your performance and make necessary adjustments. Adjusting air wing sizes, typically in groups of 100 planes, can optimize mission efficiency. Don't forget to train your pilots through exercises to increase their experience level and combat effectiveness before sending them into intense battles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.